Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for deciding to click on it. I am so grateful for whoever clicks on this video. This is my first video of, me, no makeup or anything. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. So I'm going to start first with my primer. So the primer that I have is from e.l.f. It's their hydrating one. I don't have the thing for it. I lost it. I don't know where it is because it twists off. Like, if you ever had an e.l.f. primer before, you know that it twists off. So it twists off. It's the hydrating one, the clear one. Get it. And for primer, you'll need a little bit of primer. So you're like sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't matter whatever the weather, 'cause you're my rain and shine. And when I call, and then next, the foundation that I use is 360 Mocha. That's my color, and I use the Fitme matte. Is it matte or matte? Most people say matte. I'm gonna say matte, but matte sounds cute, but I'm gonna say matte. So the matte Fitme, and I bought this at like Walgreens, and it was like $8.99. So, and I use this all the time. Like, this is like my main go-to foundation. For it to be $8.99, get it. And I know everybody recommends this, but this is just the kind that I use. The matte poreless one makes me look really like a doll. It's really pretty. Mocha 360. This is my color. Just like the first day, what you give me, it don't change now. And remember, I ain't leaving ever. You're who I'm here for. Yeah, I'm yours. When I call you darling, I can't help but smile. Make sure you're blending your foundation to your hairline and to your neck. That's like the biggest thing, like making sure that your face blends with everything else. You don't want your face being different. So make sure you go outward, okay? They know I'm about you. Hey, I'm telling everyone I know this song is about you. And I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. Hey, yeah, I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, la 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 la. Now I'm gonna do the brow. I'll use a simple black pencil. It depends on my outfit or what makeup look I'm going for. If I'm going to use maybe black eyebrow or do a brown eyebrow. It was recently like cold outside, so I was doing like darker colors, so I was doing black eyebrows. But now that it's getting warm and my hair is lighter, I'm probably gonna start using that brown. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna use the black one. This song is about you, baby, and I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love, your love, your love. Da 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 da. Your love, your love, your love, your Time for concealer. Okay, so now I take my concealer. LA girl. LA girl. Shout out to you, LA girl.
Every time I see you, you make my heart say, oh yeah,
You're like sugar, so sweet. I know this one's for me. It don't matter whatever the weather, 'cause you're my rain and shine. And when I call you darling, can't help but smile. Time can stop forever, that would be fine. I'm where I wanna be, I really wanna make you see. If they don't know nothing else, they know I'm about you. I'm telling everyone I know this song is about you. And I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love. It feels just like the first day. What you give me, it don't change now. And remember, I ain't leaving never. You're who I'm here for. Yeah, I'm yours. When I call you down,
Blush palette.
can't help but smile. Yeah, time can stop forever.
As you can see, this is my favorite one. Like, that's almost gone. That's almost out of here. So, and I'm gonna take my little brush. It's not from e.l.f. I don't know where I got this from, but I love this thing. It's like small and it fits in almost anything. So, I use it for my blush.
and I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. Hey, yeah, I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love, your love, your love, la 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 la. La 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 telling everyone I know about you. I'm telling everyone I know this song is about you, baby. And I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. Yeah, I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love, your love, baby. I'm telling everyone I know this song is about you, baby. And I'ma sing it all day, all night, 'cause I want to. I wanna tell the whole wide world about your love, your love, your love, your love, your love. Da 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 da. I wanna tell the world about your love, your love, your love, your love. Oh yeah, yeah. Every time I see you, you make my heart say, oh